Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. So today I'm making this nice juice recipe that I just had during lunch. So it is soursop, mango and passion fruits. So I'm going to first blend my mango differently, also the passion fruit differently. Now I'm doing the soursop. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a quick blend with the seeds, but it will be light so that the seeds don't break. Yeah, that is how I'm blending it. And then I'm going to sieve it so that I separate the seeds from the rest of the fruit. As you can see, that is what I'm trying to do because I didn't want to blend the seeds. This is a delicious tropical fruit, and of course it makes very nice tasty juice and also tastes very good when blended with other fruits, of course. So I'm just added the mango and the passion fruit to our soursop, and I'm going to blend them again together because I need it to be smooth, since the other time it was just a rough blend. So as you can see, this is our puree. Looks so thick, but I'm going to sieve it. It takes some time, of course, but the results are rewarding. They are very, very good, the results. The juice is very tasty and very smooth. As you can see, that is how the juice looks like. It has a very nice color, very rare and good taste. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Bye bye.